So so one of these days, please pray that I able to have time, that it will not complicated with my Bible study with the kids and the youth. So yeah, as a little bit update for the Bible study that I have today. I have youth that came here in my house, and we are doing Bible study, and I'm doing the Bible study. The introduction is I have a book, the Living by the Book. This one, yeah, by Howard Hendricks. So I'm using this for them before we were going to do study, because there is a method in this book. So I'm going to teach them with this, so that they can know how to understand, or how to read and understand their Bible, and share that with others. So, but anyway.